I want to boss 10, and about a few weeks ago I turned 15 and I got a MacBook Pro for my birthday. So I just want to open it and see how it went on camera. So let's get to it. So just open the bag. Let's take out the MacBook's box. There you are. So that is the MacBook Pro 13. And inside the box you get a designed in Apple California wallet kind of thing. You get a cloth to wipe your MacBook Pro with. You get two cables. You get a socket which connects to this one, which connects to the wall, and you get an extender which is connected here, and that also connects into the wall. So this MacBook has a 2.7 gigahertz of i5, and it has an 8 GB RAM and 128 GB of storage. So the MacBook has a 2.7 gigahertz of an i5 processor. It has a 128 flash storage and 8 GB of RAM. The screen is has a 13-inch screen and a FaceTime HD camera. The keyboard is known as the butterfly keyboard. It is like a keyboard which is not usual in old MacBook. We actually removed it in the MacBooks for 2019, that kind of era. So now, like, if we go to buy a 2015 MacBook, you get these special butterfly keys, which is super quick and nice to click, but they get stuck. That's why people don't prefer to buy the 2015 model of MacBooks. The ports on this is a MagSafe magnetic charger. They have two Thunderbolts, a USB, an audio jack, and on the other side they have a USB, HDMI, and SD card slot. Now this MacBook only has two USB ports, so if you're a guy who loves to have so many USB devices connected to your laptop, the MacBook probably wouldn't be the one I would recommend that you would go with. So if you guys are planning, or you have a MacBook and you want to buy a cover for it, I'll leave a link in the description to a site which sells these MacBook covers, and the site where I bought my one. The other thing which is special about the MacBook's keyboard is it has a thing called a backlit keyboard, but if you look closely you can see there's actually LEDs behind the keyboard, which is just for fun. If you like seeing, because if you can't see your keys, you turn them on, they like brighten up and you can see them. There's also this feature on MacBooks if you open two applications such as App Store and Safari. You can swipe between them like with 3 fingers. You can go to your App Store, and you can also go to your desktop, and if you swipe upwards you can see Safari and App Store there. So the MacBook Pro retails for around £1,500, but if you're lucky you can find a deal on some websites such as eBay and Gumtree, and you can get like laptops that are 5 years old for like around £500, and they're worth it because they keep their strength, and I found that older products actually have better battery life than newer products. So I also want to talk about how it feels like in hand. So after using the MacBook for around 2 weeks now, I think, it's very, very nice. I actually have this red case I keep on it because I can't trust myself to handle the MacBook. I have this little red mat which goes on the keyboard, so I usually keep the lights off because the person who made the red mat didn't use the actual MacBook keyboard, or could have been a different MacBook when he did so. This is the MacBook I usually use at home. As you can see, it has a red mat, and if you turn the MacBook around, the Apple logo still illuminates through the clear plastic. case, and the bottom actually has air vents, because if you keep a case on without air vents, it could really heat up and then it could break your MacBook, as it happened before in other cases. So this is what it looks like when it's closed. It's pretty good. I actually have a red theme in my room, that's why I bought the red case. They have the little things on the bottom, which I guess they just keep your MacBook safe when it goes in the ground. So honestly, if you're a student going to college or university, the MacBook, it is a very strong laptop, but honestly, for £1,500 from Apple, I wouldn't say buy from Apple itself. If you're able to find one for around 450 to 500, 600 in that range, yes, you could buy it. But I would say buy it if you know you're going to use it, because it's a very because if you break one small part of the laptop, it's super expensive, because Apple is a huge company and we charge so much money for small problems. So guys, thank you for watching this video. If you are planning to buy the MacBook Pro, I would definitely recommend it because I enjoy using it. Anyway, that's me, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.